Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build, 23419, which is released to the dev channel. Starting with this build, Microsoft is releasing ISOs for this build. Now, talking about what's new in build, firstly we can now create live kernel memory dumps in Task Manager. Microsoft is introducing a set of new developer-focused features in Task Manager, to aid the collection of live kernel memory dumps, LKDs. This is in addition to the existing memory dump for user mode processes. The goal of kernel live dump is to gather data to troubleshoot an abnormal situation, but allow the OS to continue operation. This reduces downtime when compared to a bug check for non-fatal but high-impact failures and hangs. To capture a live kernel memory dump, LKD, go to the Details page in Task Manager. Right-click on the system process and the context menu should light up to show Create Live Kernel Memory Dump File to capture a full live kernel or kernel stack memory dumps. You can also go to the Task Manager settings page to view or edit the settings for live kernel memory dumps. Next to that, we have USB4 settings page. Microsoft is adding a USB4 hubs and devices settings page for users under Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, USB4 hubs and devices. USB4 enables new productivity scenarios for docking, high-performance peripherals, displays and charging. The USB4 settings page provides information about the system's USB4 capabilities and attached peripherals on a USB4 capable system. These insights are meant to assist with troubleshooting in case users need support from their device manufacturer, OEM, or system administrator. However, if the system does not support USB4 with the Microsoft USB4 Connection Manager, this page will not be displayed. To confirm whether your system is USB4 capable or not, check for USB4 host router populating in the Device Manager. Next to that, we have Cloud Suggestion in Simplified Chinese IME. Microsoft is trying out some changes that will allow you to easily type popular words in simplified Chinese. The changes include an improved Cloud Suggestion and an integrated search suggestion. The Cloud Suggestion adds the most relevant word from Bing to the IME candidate window. Also updated the backend logic so that can provide better, fresh suggestions. So, these were some of the new things and features introduced to this build. Moving forward, and talking about changes and improvements made in this build. In general, the new features for app defaults in Windows 11 are included in this build. The features for app pinning are coming in a future flight. For the Start menu, Microsoft is trying out a small change with some Windows insiders where the recommended section of the Start menu is changed to For You. For Taskbar and System Tray, the glanceable VPN status shows overlaid over an active network connection, into the system tray when connected to a recognized VPN profile now displays in your system accent color. Also, in response to user feedback, Microsoft is introducing the capability to show seconds in the clock on the system tray. This feature can be enabled by toggling the option listed under Settings, Personalization, Taskbar in the Taskbar Behavior section. You can also right-click on Taskbar to quickly get to Taskbar settings. For search on the Taskbar, once you have access to the new Bing, the search box on the taskbar will include a button that opens the Bing chat experience in Edge. If you don't have access to the new Bing, the search box on the taskbar will feature a dynamic search highlight button. For voice access, the redesigned in-app help page in voice access introduced with Build 23403 now includes all commands and the supplementary information accurately. For settings, as part of the deprecation of Microsoft Support Diagnostic Tool, MSDT, and MSDT troubleshooters, Microsoft has begun redirecting some of the troubleshooters found under Settings, System, Troubleshoot and in other areas of the OS to the new Get Help troubleshooting platform. Also, pressing the print screen key will now open Snipping Tool by default. This setting can be turned off via Settings, Accessibility, Keyboard. If you have previously modified this setting yourself, your preference will be preserved. Now, talking about the fixes for this build. In general, improve the experience on logon after booting up by reducing the performance impact of startup apps. For Taskbar and System Tray, fixed an issue that was causing the narrator to read the position before the name on System Tray icons. Fixed an issue causing the Show Hidden Icons flyout to open behind things like OneNote flyout and live captions. Fixed an issue that could cause Explorer.exe crashes related to drag and drop. For search on the taskbar, fixed a search crash from the last flight. For File Explorer, fixed an issue that could cause Explorer.exe to crash when opening Home if certain content was visible in the Recent section. Made some improvements to the performance of loading File Explorer in the case where there's a disconnected network drive visible in the navigation pane. For the Start menu, fixed an issue where dragging content across an open Start menu folder could cause a crash. For input, Fixed an issue where after using voice typing your PC might not enter modern standby. For live captions, we fixed the issue causing live captions to not work for Chinese traditional on ARM64 devices. Lastly, for Task Manager, fixed an issue where some of the details in the performance page wouldn't display properly until you resized the window or changed pages back and forth. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.